Let's learn how you can delete your YouTube channel. I will show you this tutorial from my iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for all phones. First you will have to make sure that you're signed in to right account you want to delete, and you will just have to go to YouTube. Now once you're here, you will have to click on your profile page. Just click on new button that has your icon there, and then you will have to go to settings. So click on this gear icon on top right corner, and to go to YouTube Studio from the phone, from YouTube, you will have to click on help and just click on search help bar and type in delete. Here it will show up delete or hide your YouTube channel. Go here and press this delete your channel permanently. So this will show you the steps how you can delete your channel. If you want, you can screenshot that, but you will have to sign into YouTube Studio first. As you can see, this is a link, so you can click here and you will directly go to YouTube Studio from your phone, and it will open YouTube Studio on your browser. Now, once you're here, you will have to click on settings in bottom left corner. Now once you're here on settings, click on channel, second in a row, and click on advanced settings. Scroll down here and click on remove YouTube channel. Here you will have to verify your password. And here you can choose if you want to delete your channel permanently or if you want to hide your channel. If you want to delete it permanently, make sure to check in this, so you will also have to delete your entire content and everything, and your address will be removed. So that's it.